Hello friends, today we have a really fun unboxing courtesy of Incredible Play, and today we have scented squishies. Look what we have here. We have 3 fun boxes that we get to open up, and we've got Sour Patch Kids squishies, Swedish Fish, and Oreos. I can't wait to open these and check them out, so let's get into it. So these say scented Sour Patch Kids soft squishy toy. We all love squish toys. These look exactly like regular Sour Patch Kids. And if you look closely, you can even see how the Sour Patch Kids have this sugar coat on them. So that's really cool. And we've got a little red one. And here we have an orange Sour Patch Kid. All the yummy flavors. Which one is your favorite flavor of Sour Patch Kids? And it says they are scented, so I'm also going to give them a little sniff here. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh. They totally smell like Sour Patch Kids. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one smells a little bit artificial, like kind of perfumey, but these two are spot on. So not only did they get it right with the details, but these two smell so good. Okay, let me see which one smells better. Oh, the blue is so good. Okay, the blue is like, it's like the real deal. I'm gonna open the blue one. I guess these are the only colors they make: orange, blue, and red. They're so cute. Oh, wow. Okay, so obviously it's got some texture to it because it's supposed to be like the sugar-coated Sour Patch Kids. And now you can see without the glare of the packaging, you can see it really good right there. And it's a decent size squishy here. They're pretty big, and let me tell you, they smell really, really good. It's not like a super overpowering scent, but it smells just like candy. Okay, so they are really squishy, a little bit stretchy. I don't know how far you can stretch these without breaking it, but anyway, so they're pretty stretchy. Let's do a squish test. Oh, wow, there goes his head. Oh, wait, look at it. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Okay, I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Yes, pun intended. I want to get through the other fun goodies that they sent over. So thank you, Incredible Play. Let's move on to the Oreos. Let's see what's in box number 2, and this is the Oreo squish toy. Ooh, they sent me 2. I like when they send me extras because I like to create content on multiple platforms, so I can open one here and on Instagram, TikTok, and Shorts. I don't see where this is scented. This looks really cool though. It looks just like a jumbo Oreo. I like the packaging. We always buy things for the packaging, right? Okay, so it's definitely squishy. Let me see if I can smell it through the packaging. No way is this scented. The only thing that smells like is, I don't know what, plastic. Okay, so again, these are from our friends over at Incredible Play. So their website is www.incrediblegroup.com. And again, you can find them on Instagram at Incredible Play. Let's open this, and then we'll get rid of that pesky glare once it's out of the packaging. Ooh, it's like the biggest Oreo ever. Wow, okay, look at this. Okay, let's look at the detail. The cookie part has a raised print on the outside, and of course it says Oreo. This is nice. So let's do a squish test. Nice and squishy. Let's see, how squishy is this? Let's do 2 hands. Oh wow, look at that. Fun. This is a cool little stress toy. You can have it on your desk, anywhere, in your backpack, in your car, travel with it if you're feeling anxious. This is pretty neat, or just for fun. Look at that. Cool, I like this one. Can I squish it with 1 hand? Let's see. That's pretty cool. All right, awesome, awesome, awesome. Just a missed opportunity to make this smell like the chocolate cookie out here, but still fun. Okay, So now let's get into the Swedish Fish. Okay, friends, box number 3. Here we go. Ooh, okay, 2 Swedish Fish. We'll take one out. All right, let's see. Wow, this is a jumbo Swedish Fish. They're pretty big candies, but not this big. I like the packaging. Try me. Absolutely nice and squishy. Okay, let's get this out of the packaging. Wow, this is jumbo, like jumbo. Ooh, that opened right up. This totally looks like the real thing, and it feels like the real thing too. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Oh, I didn't smell it. Let's give it the sniff test. Hang on, I'm gonna smell this really quick. Okay, so this smells good. I have to say the Sour Patch Kids smelled more like the real deal. This is scented and it smells good. So these look like the real candies. These have the exact print of the real foods and snacks and candies. They did such a great job. Wow, look at this. These are so fun. Nice and stretchy. You know what? And this has like a slow rise bounce back. You can go and squish this and it'll take its time coming back up into shape. Like it'll actually leave a print. I love that in a squishy. If you're not a big fan of scented, there's still a lot of fun. The scent isn't overpowering at all. And it's not like super perfumey when you open the package. Anyway, these are really fun. I think these would be cute gifts. So awesome. I love the candy theme. It's so fun to open these. Incredible Place sent me everything in celebration of Halloween and trick or treat. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.